POV, you want to stand out this Thanksgiving season. I'm going to show you how using one of Wise Pelican's many seasonal postcards. Let's try this Thanksgiving punch recipe. This time of year, everyone's gathering, giving thanks, and checking their mail a little more often. That's where Wise Pelican comes in. Our seasonal postcards help agents generate consistent leads and listings with smart, targeted mailings designed for real ROI. These aren't just pretty mailers, but they are that too. They're data-driven postcards that turn visibility into results. And this one, it includes a recipe for Thanksgiving punch, a simple way to connect with homeowners and something they can actually use, keeping your brand top of mind. With Wise Pelican, you can edit and order in minutes using the Express editor, reach the right homes, and generate consistent leads. Because the best recipe for success this season, a dash of creativity, a steady strategy, and a campaign that delivers. From all of us here at Wise Pelican, happy Thanksgiving.